After arranging all the peripherals and some serious cable management, I realized that it doesn't come out the way that I want it to be. Therefore, I must come up with an actual cable management solution to fix it. So, after sorting out all the peripherals and how the cable go, I actually put a lot of effort in the cable management, and I kind of realized that it is not what I want. Even though we have pretty much less cable on the table, but I realized that we need an actual solution over here to actually hide those cables. So what I did is I actually went to IKEA and buy one of these Besta shelving unit. This is the smallest one, and a pair of these Sturburb. Is that Sturburb? Yeah, it's Sturburb, which will be used to be nailed right underneath over here to act as a leg for the Besta, so that the cable can actually go through over here, which I will show you how it goes. You know, with both legs over here, the cables are going to go through over here. Probably maybe I can try to put the mixer over here, and let's see how it actually ended. So right now what I'm gonna do is to put the screen right on top of this thing over here. Hopefully it looks great. Well, it is heavy as hell. There goes our screen. Looking good so far. It's not wiggling, it's not jiggling, it's not gonna fall anytime soon, I guess. So, yep. Cable's going in here, and everything's looking good so far. Okay guys, as I mentioned previously, let us get on with the headphone stand over here. This, my friend, is again another cheap eBay headphone stand that I've ordered, which I'm pretty doubting its quality over here, because the package is so small and I doubt that it can actually hold the Razer Kraken over here. So right in the package over here, we actually got, this seems to be a plastic base over here. Plastic is a clear sign of low quality. And then we got a tube. Surprisingly, this thing is aluminum. Yeah, feels like aluminum, sounds like aluminum, and it's definitely aluminum. And this seems to be the thing that is holding the headphone, and it is some sort of a pretty rubberish thing, which surprisingly this is in good quality, except for the stand, it is plastic. So assembly is pretty straightforward. We're gonna have our tube over here, stuck it in there. Yeah, just like so. And it's pretty straightforward to jam the plastic rubberish thing right on here, which is, yeah, kind of straightforward. Okay, I'm liking this. So kind of holds the headphone like that. Actually looks pretty classy. It actually match up pretty well with the Razer Kraken over here. Let us, let's do some arrangement over there and let us see the overall setup. Okay, so eventually they gave me a free iRing thing over here written there, like newbie, yeah, newbie headset over here, which is pretty cool. I got free stuff, and placing the headset over here, you actually make the overall setup looks pretty badass. I'm liking it so far. So yeah, thumbs up. So as you guys have probably noticed that this overall setup is actually pretty blunt over here. It's just about all the gamerish thing. As we can see, there is a lot of wood going on in the entire table. We have a lighter wood, we have darker wood, the oak wood, and lots of black theme, a little bit of white once in a while, black headset. And the only standout color and the entire setup is probably the green headset over here. It actually comes with pretty greenish fabric right on top of the entire setup. What I need to do, I would want to add some colors in the setup, which is the easiest thing, the cheapest solution that you can actually do for any of your setup is to get yourself an IKEA fajar. I think this is a fajar, this IKEA grass thing, and put it right over here and call it a day. You can either put it right on top of the speaker to make it looks really, you know, really blend into the environment or whatsoever, or put it like right beside here, but it's not my kind of thing. It actually messed up the statics a little bit. You can actually put on the other speaker, you know, it gives out a little different feeling than the previous feel. Or maybe you can just straight up put it right over here if you have some OCD problem, but it looks pretty out of place to have a single fajar over there. So I prefer it to be placed over here, because maybe just right on top of here, because, you know, it actually makes the setup looks quite colorful. After completing the entire setup, I realized that there is actually something missing. I've given some small hints at the very beginning of the video that there is something that I want to do, you know, having both worlds, which is LEDs. Yeah, baby. So right over here, the LEDs kind of arrived late a little bit. We have ourselves an RGB LED there. You're gonna put it right behind the background, I mean, right behind the desk. There we go, there goes LEDs. We got a controller over here. We got, oh, this thing's powered by USB, cool. So, let us get things sticking up over here, yeah? After completing everything for real, I realized that there is one last problem that I need to address, which is cable management. Yes, there's a lot of work to do. There's lots of cable dangling. That's why I gather up as many cable ties as possible to actually get things fixed up over here. Look at me. I am sweating like hell and not getting anything done yet. I'm really eager to fire this thing up and see how it looks, because, you know, it's getting dark now. We need to see how LED working, you know what I'm saying? So let's get this cable management working. Yeah. Well, the first thing is to do, I decided to tie everything at this corner of the desk to make it look like it is part of the desk over here. So right now I am tying all the cables at one corner at the desk to ensure that it looks like it is part of the desk, so that it doesn't look super messy, but it is still looking super messy over here. And I will try to actually sort things out. And it's still looking super messy around here. I'm super hard over here, and I'm trying to sort things out for you guys. So yeah, let's get going, man. I mean, look at it. The view actually looks pretty good from here. The sunset is pretty beautiful and the night view is great. And you know what? After getting everything done over here, as you can see, the sky is getting dark over here. It's time to peel off those new screen protector, those satisfying thing, if you know what I'm saying. And after that, we gonna fire the PC up for the moment of truth. Yeah! Okay, right now it's time for the moment of truth. It is about time to fire this baby up. Yep, fingers crossed, touch wood. Hope everything works well from here. Oh my God! I mean, look at that! Look at that screen. I mean, seriously, oh my god. It actually looks super cool at night. I mean, look at those LEDs. I mean, seriously, look at those LEDs. Man, this is so unreal. The screen is so big. Oh my god. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? It fired up. Oh my god, it looks super nice. I'm super stoked. Really wanted to try this thing out. Oh my goodness. It's so clear. Oh my god, I just got mind blown over here. Man. Goodness. Oh my god. This is so unreal. Okay guys, as you can see, it is pretty late now. I'm happy with the overall result. There are more things to be done to the overall room. The chair is not sorted out yet. The walls is a little too plain, and then more decoration need to be done somehow, a little more tweaking here and there. Yeah, we're gonna see you in the next episode, Building My Man Cave, the Rave Edition. See ya guys.